New iPhone or iPad? You can sign in with Quick Start and then use iCloud to transfer all your apps and data from your previous device to your new one, so you can pick up right where you left off. Before you start, your previous device should be connected to Wi-Fi with Bluetooth turned on. Having a recent iCloud backup speeds up the process. During setup, both devices will be occupied for several minutes. Keep them near each other and connected to power. Turn on your new iPhone or iPad and follow the steps to get started. When you're prompted, place your previous device next to your new one. Then follow the steps on your previous iPhone, which includes scanning an animation with the camera. If the new iPhone or iPad is yours, tap Set up for me. Now you'll finish the process on your new device. Enter the passcode that unlocks your previous device. This passcode is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple, and it becomes the passcode for your new device. Then, keep following the prompts. When the Transfer Your Data screen appears, you have options. If you choose Download from iCloud, your apps and data will download in the background, so you can start using your new iPhone right away. If you choose Transfer from iPhone, you'll need to wait for the transfer to complete on both devices before you can use them. We're going to tap Download from iCloud. If prompted, review the terms and conditions and tap Agree if you agree. Your previous device automatically creates a new iCloud backup, and your apps and data are restored to your new iPhone. When it's done, your new iPhone will restart. Enter your passcode and you're all set. Apps and data will continue to download in the background while you're connected to Wi-Fi. And that's how to easily set up your iPhone or iPad and transfer your data with iCloud. Some sequences in this video were shortened.